All right. Here we go. I don't even know what episode this is. Maybe like, gosh, 6 maybe? Maybe 6. I'm trying to get a Galarian bird live. Let's see, we're just going to pop it for 18. I think we're only going to do 30 minutes today. Truthfully. I don't want to be here. Oh my God, right off the rip. Just a wild Flareon. Also, I am so happy about this new background update. It's honestly one of the best things the game has brought so far. besides a character visual update. Which there was too many glitches with that already. With the little skirt. You can see up the skirt. Do they not test that before they even put it out there? There's no way they didn't see that. But my goodness, I can't get over the background. It's something I'm so happy about, because I remember some people getting it when they left out of the city range. They were able to get the cool background, but us city boys and girls did not get it at all. And the game was honestly looking a bit dry and boring, but with this new update, it just makes me want to play more. And we got a really cool event going on. All the Cantonian Pokemon's out and about. Super sick. Maybe this weekend I might take a trip to Galveston to look for the Wiglet, because I know that one is only in the beach bio. So unfortunately, if you're not near a beach or anything, you can't get it. Unless, if I'm not mistaken, I remember somebody saying you can get it in a creek area, maybe a lake, pond kind of area. I'm pretty sure you can, but no idea. I remember somebody in my group saying that they did get one from a lake, which I doubt I'm gonna get it. This is more of a pond where I'm at this beautiful park than a lake, so there's no way I'm gonna see one. But who's excited for this event? It's been such a long time since I've seen Rattata, honestly. And it's just so nice seeing all the original 151 Pokemons. It just brings back so much nostalgia from 2016. It's like a 2016 remake with the background and the nice little home screen too. You can see the clouds and everything. So sick. And for example, today is super cloudy where I'm at in the morning, and I noticed that it was very cloudy on the screen. So you could see it. It's so sick. They absolutely killed it with that feature. But my character model, I would say otherwise. I haven't even gotten a single shiny from this event so far, sadly. But if I were to get some, honestly, probably be more Nidorans. That's honestly mainly what I want. I don't know what else, truthfully, I want/need. Maybe some random shinies just to complete the shiny decks, really, but that's not a goal of mine just yet. I feel like I haven't finished, quote-unquote, finished the game to say that's what I absolutely need. But honestly, it'd be really cool if they gave out like a paid research task or something really cool, kind of an outfit or an emote in the shop. Something to represent Kanto. I don't know. I think that'd be really cool. It'll bring something else during this week alongside with the Pokemons. Which again is just this event. So much fun. I have been itching to come out and play. So as soon as I got off work, I just knew I was going to go to the park right away. And again, hopefully this weekend, go to the beach. We can do another video out there with everybody. Maybe I can convince some of my friends to go out there and play with me. For sure, Lovey. She doesn't have too much of an option. Look at that, a wild victory bell. What? You're a little late, buddy. There we go. Victory bell for being the 30th Pokemon on our task. So I guess the leaks were slightly true about quote-unquote Kanto tour. More so just like a week event. I guess they got it a little bit mixed. I don't even know what you can get from these field research, but we're just gonna complete them because why not, right? Maybe a random hundo would be cool. I think this is the first time in a very long time I'm doing this by myself. It feels kind of weird. Oh, look at Houndoom. That's pretty cool. These cool mons. It better be a sign that I'm gonna get a bird. Okay, he's not staying.
You made it, huh?
Honestly, thought the park would be more dead than it is. There's a lot of people out here. For granted, it's a beautiful day. A little hot, but really nice. What are you guys looking for during this event? What shinies do you need from Kanto that you're absolutely dying for? Again, like for myself, I don't really desperately need anything. So I can't really list anything off the top of my head of what I need. Maybe we should take a look here and see what I need. Let's go shinies. Again, there's like things that like I just need to complete the shiny decks. Otherwise, I'm not really desperate for anything. There's some shinies I could evolve to help with the decks. Otherwise, again, I just can't think of anything I need. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a little clutter. Definitely getting my cardio in, especially with this heat. Even though it's super cloudy, it's extremely hot. I'm sweating out here. I guess shiny female Nidoran is what I need. We'll say that's what I need. So I would like a shiny Nidoqueen. So I know I got the shiny Nidoking, but the Nidoqueen I don't have, so I guess just to have the pair, that's what I'm looking for. So if we do get one, I'll evolve it right away here today. Because I don't think I do. I don't even remember. Oh, I do. I do. Okay, well, let's try to get a second one then. Just so I don't have to evolve that one. So I like having the family. But if it comes down to it today at the end of the video, if we don't get one in this 30 minutes, we will evolve that baby Nidoran into a Nidoqueen. Why not, right? Just get a little shiny evolution going on. Not shiny. Another thing I'm very excited for, I just can't wait anymore. Like, the time needs to fly. But Go Fest. You know, a bunch of me and my friends are going. It's gonna be so much fun. Just exploring New York. It will be me personally, be my first time going to New York. So it would definitely be one heck of an adventure. See what's out there. See those giant rats that people speak of. And then my brother told me some crazy stories of when he was in New York. One of the stories that I won't forget him telling myself of when he was in New York. I think he said he was close to Times Square or somewhere along Times Square. And he was, recording the scenery like most people would, right? Whenever you're touring out there, anywhere, traveling, you're going to be recording. He said there's a bunch of homeless people out there. So as he was recording, he was turning to the left, trying to get a certain building, whatever. And a homeless dude just stops, pops a squat, and just lays it on the floor. And he caught it all on video. It was unbelievable. I cannot believe he showed me video proof. It's not just his words. He did show me proof. And I was mind blown that would happen. Super, super funny. Heck, if I could... no, I can't. I'm excited though. Crazy things in New York. I want to experience it. Unlike LA, I didn't really see anything crazy in LA. It was honestly such a beautiful time out in LA. Oh, except when I got to Hollywood. Some homeless dude got really upset because my girlfriend threw away a Starbucks drink and didn't have any left in the cup. He picked it out of the trash and threw it on the ground and got really, really pissy. Started smacking the signs, running around. I think that was the only crazy thing about New York. Not New York, LA. But I know New York is going to be absolutely insane, especially in Times Square. I'm going to be looking forward to seeing Times Square just because I'm such a big Spider-Man fan. So, it's just going to be really cool. Just to, stand there where they filmed Spider-Man. And also the fact that I'm going to be trying out, I can't remember if it was $50 or $100 a box of cereal. I don't know if you guys know about it, but it's a box of cereal that are like baby croissants and the cereal. And it costs about $50 to $100. And I know everybody was talking so much crap up to me about spending that money. But listen, life is too short, okay? You gotta enjoy it to its fullest. Because every day is not guaranteed, okay? Just remember that. So if you ever have hesitation about something, just remember money comes and goes. And this monkey doesn't want to stay in the ball. Money comes and goes. As long as it's not going to make you dead broke, then so be it, right? Just enjoy yourself. That's the best way to put it. So when you run out of those Poke Coins and you're out with friends doing a raid, swipe that credit card. I'm just kidding. Don't do that, especially if it's your parents. Shiny, come on. Ah, no. For being a park, I did not expect to see big dump trucks. Wow, Persian, that's pretty cool. It's always a little fun fact, knowing that Giovanni's Persian was indeed a shiny in the show. Such a cool little feature. I love when they show shinies in the anime. They really know, their fan base. The shiny hunters. Just like a little little recognition for shiny hunters. It's honestly so peaceful just be by myself and kind of talking to the phone, looking like a weirdo. And not talking to anybody. I'm like looking around, make sure nobody's staring at me. Just talking to my phone. But it is peaceful just to, again, be alone and just kind of one-on-one with myself and the camera. 420 candies. Transfer. Okay. Ooh, also don't forget that there's special moves right now for some of the Pokemons like Charizard, Blastoise, and Venusaur. I know I did do this lucky one. Whoops. This lucky one, we did get that Blast Burn on there. Shout out to Trippy for that one. Super sick. I have 2 lucky trades lined up to get Venusaur and Bulbasaur luckies, shiny luckies, and I'm gonna teach them the move. I gotta meet up with those people soon. So hopefully we can do that soon. Shiny, no. Hi. Listen, YouTube, that wasn't me. I swear, if I get copyrighted for that split second of song, I'm gonna be so upset. Another Bulbasaur off the incense. This background, I'm just so in love with it. And the fact that it changes every time you click on a Pokemon. It's never the same. I absolutely love that. Okay, Bulbasaur. What the heck? Oh, now the sun's coming out. It's coming out strong, too. Whew. Should probably keep some of the Bulbasaur, Charmanders, and all that to do trades, but they're just gonna take up storage. I always forget to trade. I know that's a fun aspect for some people of the game, is trading, but me personally, I don't know. Well, I mean, it's cool to trade. I mean, especially if it's lucky, but just trying to trigger lucky, trading over and over and over, it's just too boring for me. It takes too long, animation and stuff like that. I'm super impatient. Those who know, they know. I am super impatient. You know what? That's a shiny I need. Execute 2. That's a shiny I absolutely need and I do not have. And thank God I saw it and remembered about that. That is the one we're going to be hunting for. I don't have my golden eggs yet, which is insane. But it just never shiny for me. Don't know why. But if I'm going to be looking for a shiny, that's definitely it now. Whoops. This would have been a cool event for them to release shiny Galarian birds, honestly. But I know that probably won't happen anytime soon. So, Who knows when they're gonna do that, if they ever do that. And like I said multiple times, if they're gonna make the catch rate damn near impossible, they need to at least make the spawn rate a little bit better. You know, especially with Origin Dialga in effect now. People can run this for 24/7. Probably only see 2 of the birds, truthfully. I think one of my friends did that. I know the Shiny King, I can't remember. He ran it for a good while, and I think he only saw 1 of each bird that whole time instead of multiple of them, which is insane to me, personally. I really think they need to increase the encounter rate. It's just too low. But that's just me. I don't know. I mean, I like the rarity and the chances of getting them is very hard. I do like that just because it makes them so much more rare. But then again, is it really worth it? You know, they're not useful PvP, raiding, like any of that stuff. They're not useful at all. They're just trophies, I guess you could say. Literally the only thing they're good for is just flexing on people. Let's see. Not to me, you know, I'm not gonna subtle flex right here, but they're just not worth it. Especially for a lucky trade, like a guaranteed lucky trade when you hit lucky friends with somebody, you know, and they'll say, let's do that for lucky. I just don't see like it's worth it. Like I said, it's not good at PvP. It's not good at raiding. What's the point of lucky trading something that's just not useful? Me personally, I see lucky trading as a, you know, another churn of trying to get shinies with bad IVs to a good one, possibly Shundo. So I definitely don't see the worth of lucky trading them. I see Dialga's effect is already off. I might pop it for a little bit longer, just because I'm far way out from my car. I still got a long walk, so I might pop it for a little bit longer. Why not, right? Shiny. Ah, no. But yeah, calm it down if you guys are going to New York. It's gonna be super fun. Necrozma is gonna be coming out in the game now. And fusions. I know they accidentally leaked, you know, black and white Kyurem. Which luckily that didn't ruin GoFest. Because the fusions are gonna be Lunala and Solgaleo. So they lucked out that didn't get leaked early and ruin GoFest. Truthfully, I feel like being surprised with different mons, you know, is much more exciting. Because if you have the mindset of, oh well, black and white Kyurem is coming out GoFest, I'll just wait. You kind of get bored. But the fact that they threw a curveball makes it much better. All right, let's pop Dialga's effect for a little bit longer. We'll do 12. Just be safe. I don't want to pop it too long. I'm just going to be stuck here at the park. It's nice to see Meowth in the wall too. I forgot how much Stardust you get for catching one. Let's see, 500. That's insane. Super, super nice. Just incredible. I have not seen a bird yet. I could run this daily incense for like, let's say like 3 hours, and I guarantee I'm not gonna freaking get it. I know during April Fool's, one person popped the daily for I think 4 hours, and because everything was an excellent throw, it was just gonna make it so much easier to hit that excellent throw on the Galarian bird, giving you a better chance, and within those 3-4 hours, I can't remember exactly how long he said, not one Galarian bird, which, big rip on that. I know I would have been super frustrated. Maybe Niantic did it on purpose because they knew people were going to do that. They were going to try to get their birds on April Fools. It would have been funnier if they had Ditto out in the wild, when kind of coded in the game whenever they pop a daily incense, and have a Galarian pop up, but it's a Ditto. That would have been beyond evil. But I would have been all for it, because that's just hilarious in my opinion. That would have been fun. You're just fingers clench the phone. You see a bird, catch it, and it just says, "Oh." That would have been freaking great. I would have loved to experience that. And maybe next year. That'd be really cool. All they gotta say is increased chance of Galarian bird on daily incense, and they got everybody. Everybody's gonna be out and about. Everybody knows it's gonna be April Fool's prank, but they're not gonna know that's a Ditto. See, I got great ideas. Like, they need to hire me over there in Niantic. Fix a game. Though, knowing them, quote unquote businessmen, they're not thinking of stuff like that. They're not thinking of things making the game much more fun. Because like I said, for a while the game was starting to get really boring, but luckily they did this update with this new visual effects and things like that. It makes it so much more better, and it's just a breath of fresh air, and it brings you back to the game. It makes it more enjoyable. I never got Stumpty shiny during Sinnoh Tour, which is mind-blowing. I played in LA and the Global, and I didn't get it shiny. I think that's pretty crazy. No pass would have been good if it was shiny. I always get made fun of how fast I transfer Pokemon as soon as I see the appraisal. It's kind of true. Ooh, Lapras! Ah, not shiny. But it's true. If it's not shiny, or a Hundo, or an Undo, I just get rid of them. If you look at my storage for Pokemon, I don't have a lot. And that's just because I'm very picky. You know, I only want shinies and hundos. All that PvP stuff and things like that, I don't really care about. I really don't. So I just get rid of it immediately. I don't even second guess it or regret some of them. Is that? Oh my God, it's a Marowak in the wild. What? Yo, this is so cool. Like I said, this brings back nostalgia from 2016. Being with my friends. I was exactly 16 years old when the game dropped. And just going out around with my friends, walking around the neighborhood, crossing the streets, going to other neighborhoods to find more stuff. Or sometimes they'll have more gyms, because in my neighborhood we only have one gym and like 2 stops. So it's definitely not the best. But back then we only had one gym. So getting Pokeballs and things like that were kind of brutal for us, especially being kids. I wasn't fortunate enough to be blessed with a car at the age of 16 like some people are. So we were stuck walking. We would beg our parents to take us to Discovery Green in Houston. You know, go and play, and that park would be full of people. Those were the fun days. I remember those days. But now that I'm much older, I definitely go wherever I want to go play. We got cars here. I don't think they're gonna let me go. Might as well, right? I mean, I'm in the heat. They got AC going. Might as well let me pass. Let's see. It's getting so bright out, I can barely see my screen. But yeah, oh man, those were the days. I miss those days. I miss a lot of my old friends I used to play with. A lot of them just, falling off friendship-wise and falling off the game, things like that. Which really sucks. But, oh man, that Venonat would have been good if it was shiny. But who knows, maybe I can reconnect with a few of them because of this game. This game has brought a lot of friendship to my life, a lot of experiences. So I owe a lot to this game, truthfully. Those got me out here looking like a weirdo talking to the phone by myself. Wild Absol, that's pretty cool. I'll do one lap around the main park and probably call it quits there. We got the auto spinner at home too, which is kind of brutal. I definitely could have used that today. Upset there's not that many raids here at this park right now. Definitely would have been nice. 625. What? Yeah, 625 with that one. Alright, let's check all these real quick. Make sure none of these are shiny. I was really hoping you were shiny. Oh, click on the same one. Geodude? Nope. Dragon, not gonna be shiny. Bellsprout, please don't be shiny. Cool. Calm day just passed, don't need that. Ooh, fungus. I think I still need that one shiny. I don't have that one shiny. Love to get that one. Use berries. Whoops. Definitely have not been doing that. Might as well. Let me know if you're excited for this event. I know some people might not be looking forward to this event, which is crazy, but it's true. You can tell I'm getting near more people because I'm starting to get a little quiet. Yeah, I'm still not entirely comfortable yet. LA had no problem. You know, it's the city of creators. I think that's what they call it. I forgot what the nickname is. You know, everybody's with cameras and stuff like that outside. But here in Texas, it's definitely not like that. Over time I might break that shyness little bubble I got going on. Again, that background, dude. I cannot get over it. You know, truthfully, I hope I never get bored of the background or anything like that. I doubt it, just because it's like, it's always changing. So I doubt I'll get bored of it. Not shiny. It's so nice being in nature. So much in the city, I kind of forget how peaceful it can be. I don't know why that Vulpix looked like it was floating above the ground. I hope you guys kind of see what I see. I don't know if it was or wasn't. That was funny. And see, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Background changed. It's just so appealing to the eyes. Oh, man. Been bone dry. What the heck? Got 4 minutes left on the incense. I might be going home with nothing. No hundos, no shinies, nothing. I gotta step it up. Oof. It's epic. Ah, no. Such a good shiny. That'd be nice to get. I think I missed that calm day, if I'm not mistaken. I think I had a calm day. I wasn't playing at the time. I did take a short break. Check these shuppets real quick. I guess this is a shuppet nest. So many shuppets here. Well, that's not the bird I wanted to see. Man, I just made myself excited thinking about going to the beach to go get Willy lit, hang out with the crew. I know we were talking about doing a beach episode, so that'd be really fun to do. Our little beach episode. I'm all for it. Wind pot not shiny. Never got him shiny either when he was released. Heartbreaking. I'm kind of ignoring that bell sprout. Ooh, only if you were shiny. Oh my god. I'm getting all the birds but the ones that I want. Just walk a little bit more till the minutes are up. Just got 1 minute left. See, 401, we're going up. This little guy from the field research. Doubt it's the hundo. No. Only if you were shiny. What the what was that video?
That's why I don't believe in somebody knows some shit with y'all doing. This shit would have been done.
Damn. Looks like we're going home dry.
And she's half-assed doing it. That's even worse. It's taking longer and she half-assed doing it. Because like I told you, I didn't give my lawyer but $1,000. He came back and was like, listen, this is what she got. She hired this. Did you know about this? Did you know about this? I was like, what? Huh? What? Well, no, but you put his on there. Man, that's your job.
Just can't go around this way. God, those people are so loud. Oh, nothing from the daily incense. That is so pitiful. And I honestly thought we were going to get something today. Just because we started out so strong with the Flareon, the Houndour. It just looked promising. But nothing. Even the Lapras close to the end. That is pitiful. Oh well. No shinies either. Which is very, very odd. I guess I'll catch this Bellsprout for that last little task I got there. There we go. Collect mine 20 balls right there. This little stream is definitely way over 30 minutes than I said I was gonna do. Honestly, that's okay. I genuinely had fun. Got to see a lot of the different backgrounds for the game. Just at this one park. Shiny and birds we did not see. I just don't have the best luck with those things. I mean, for granted, I did catch 7 of them. But maybe that's why they're hiding from me. Because I got so many in the past already. And yes, I did. I did trade away 4 of them. I kept 1 of each. Just because people desperately wanted them when they first came out. So I was just helping out friends. You know, try and collect them. Finally back in the car. Finally gonna go home. Take a shower because I'm dripping sweat. But it was fun. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. And let me know if you're going to New York. Let me know if you're excited about this event. If you're out there trying to get the hundos for the starters or shiny hunting. Anything like that. But yeah, definitely don't forget to evolve your mons. Your Bulbasaur, Squirtles, and Charizards to get their little move. I know I got this Blastoise with the shades on. My good friend Thunder. We were gonna lucky trade that, so that'd be cool. Actually, I have extra Squirtle with sunglasses. Just kidding. That one's definitely not getting traded. I just realized you have to evolve it into it, huh? I did get this one. Is this good? That's good. It would be transferred if it wasn't shiny. I guess I'll just do a normal shiny one, just to get it lucky. And then I know I have a Venusaur lined up. Might Elite TM that one. I guess I could Elite TM the sunglasses too, honestly. Yeah, I guess I could do that. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you go to New York or if you're excited about this event. And let me know how you feel about the visual background update. I think it's fantastic, especially like the little forecast, going on, like they match it. Get the clouds in the background, stuff like that.